Hey guys, JJ here. The Joneses are out walking again. What's new? We're up in Brecon. We're doing only a short walk, depending on where you find your map from. We've got two different routes, both the same route. One says 2 hours, one says 4 hours. One says 3.8 miles, the other one says 6. We're just going to plod on and see what it takes. This is known as the waterfalls. There's 4 waterfalls over the route. We've just done one, I'll put a little clip before, and we'll put some collections of them as we go through. So join us, hope you enjoy. The Joneses walking out, be safe. So guys, we're getting towards one of the biggest waterfalls they've got now. You can actually walk behind it. But well maintained route, but a bit steep. Did you nearly go then, dear? These are some steep steps, they'll be like 12 inches plus each step. So Hello, doggy. Okay. Go on. Is that cool, Bill? Is that cool? So guys, we're going to add a load of pictures into this video, and just want to say thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that bell, catch us on our next video. You know, normal stuff. We'll be out and about. Hopefully get out again tomorrow, weather permitting and time. And if anyone knows a pram that will go over this terrain, let me know, because come to the website we're looking at for this route. A pushchair could make this route. Sorry, but it's very tricky. I've got two decent sized blokes carrying the damn thing. Right, that's JJ out. Be safe.